We are in the topic of strategies for enhancement in food production. So now the next aspect is fisheries. Fisheries that is related to fishes. Fisheries related to fishes. Okay. Catching of fish, processing of fish, selling of fish, all these aspects come under fisheries. When we speak of fisheries we can categorize into two ways. One is capture fishery and another is culture fishery. Capture fishery and culture fishery. Capture fishery means catching the fish, maybe in the sea or maybe in the river or maybe in the lake. That is called as capture. Okay, catching the fish which is naturally occurring. And culture of fish means we grow the fishes in fish tank or in the pond by using fish seed. Fish seed means the young one of fishes. Okay, we just grow them in particular tank. That is called as culture fishery. Then again, fishes are of two types. Whenever we speak of fisheries, under that we tell them as fin fishes and shellfishes. Fin fishes, shellfishes. Fin fishes are the real fishes. They are the real fishes belonging to class Pisces. Okay, fin fishes, the real fishes. Shellfishes means they are not the really fishes, but they are consumed like molluscans. Okay, clamfish, we call clams, or bivalves, or oyster, even prawn and crab, they come under arthropoda. Okay, but even it is consumed, it is also called as fish product generally. Okay, and those are shellfishes. So when we speak of all those things about fish, why fishes are so important? They are very nutritious. Fish is very nutritious food. It provides many of the essential nutrients which we require. Okay, so this is clear now. Capture and culture fishery, fin fishes and shellfishes. Similarly, the fishes, the popular fishes available in the sea. We also call it as a marine fishes. Example, you can give example of mackerel, pomfrets. You can give example of pomfrets, or even you can give the example of sardine. But if you come to freshwater fishes, you can give example of rohu, katla, common carp, These all are example for freshwater fishes. We get it in river or lake, and these all are example for marine fishes. Now the one more thing which we have to keep in mind, how we call green revolution. Okay, the enormous growth of agricultural product, crops and the product, that is called green revolution. Similarly, the enormous growth or the large amount of growth of fish is called as blue revolution. We call it as blue revolution. One more aspect you should know in fishery, that is the difference between aquaculture and pisciculture. Aquaculture means growing anything in water. Okay, it need not be only fishes, because even we grow algae, that is also aquaculture. We grow sponges, that is also aquaculture. Oyster, aquaculture. Prawn, aquaculture. We can grow crab in the water, that is also aquaculture. Anything, whatever we grow in water, that is aquaculture. Whereas pisciculture is exclusively fishes. If you grow only fishes, if you culture only fishes, we call it as pisciculture.